Is your phone connected to Wi-Fi but the internet is not working? Don't worry. This is a common problem and you can easily fix it few simple steps. First, check if other devices connected to the same Wi-Fi are also having internet problem. If they restart your Wi-Fi router, turn it off. Wait about 30 seconds and turn it back on. If the internet works on other device, the problem may be with your phone. Start by turning Wi-Fi off and then turn it back on. You can also enable airplane mode for a few seconds and then disable it. Next, forget the Wi-Fi network. Tap Wi-Fi. Click your Wi-Fi icon. Tap your connected network. Choose for forgot network. And connect again by entering the Wi-Fi password. You should also restart your phone. Sometimes a simple restart can fix temporary network problem. If the problem continues, trying resetting your network settings, remember that this may remove saved Wi-Fi password and Bluetooth connection. This simple method should help fix the Wi-Fi connected but no internet problem almost Android phone. Hope you understand. I have a request, if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.